Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. Look at this question. This question is taken directly from the Engineering Services Mechanical Engineering Paper II 2026 examination. Okay, and the question related to CNC machines, automation, sensors, predictive maintenance, and industry 4.0 are becoming increasingly important. And today's question presents a real life industrial situation. A CNC machine is producing the dimensional inaccuracies and abnormal tool wear. And as engineers, our task is not simply to replace the tool but to diagnose the root cause using the fault detection and monitoring systems. So today we will solve this problem exactly as a maintenance engineer would. Okay, now first let us understand the symptoms. The machine is showing two problems. Problem one, that is dimensional inaccuracies, like parts are oversized or undersized, poor repeatability, and the incorrect geometry. And the problem two is the abnormal tool wear, like rapid wear of the cutting edges, frequent tool failure, poor surface finish. So now remember an important engineering principle: symptoms are not faults. Symptoms only indicate that some faults exist. Okay, and our objective is to identify the actual fault. So a good maintenance engineer never repairs the symptom. He identifies the root cause. So, and that is exactly what fault diagnosis means. Okay, now let us define the concept. Fault detection is the process of identifying that an abnormal condition exists in the machine, and fault monitoring is the continuous observation of the machine parameters to detect the faults at an early stage. And these systems use various sensors and the CNC controller to continuously monitor the machine health. And the monitored parameters include like the spindle vibration, temperature, motor current, cutting force, and the servo position error, lubrication condition. So whenever these values exceed the permissible limit, the system generates an alarm or warning. Okay, and in the examination, always distinguish between the detection and diagnosis. Okay, detection tells us that a fault exists, and diagnosis tells us that what the fault is and where it is located. And this distinction often earns extra marks. So remember that. Now, let us see how different monitoring systems help identify the specific faults. First is vibration monitoring. Suppose the spindle bearing becomes worn out and the vibration sensor immediately detects an increase in the vibration level. So possible diagnosis will be like bearing wear, unbalanced spindle, misalignment, loose machine components. So these faults are dimensional errors and poor surface finish. Second is tool condition monitoring. Sensors monitor the cutting force, acoustic emission, and power consumption. And if these values suddenly increase, the system concludes tool wear, tool chipping, tool breakage. Okay, and the CNC controller can automatically stop machining before the damage occurs. Okay. Third point is temperature monitoring. Look, temperature sensors measure the spindle temperature, motor temperature, coolant temperature, and excessive heating causes the thermal expansion. And as a result, the workpiece dimensions become inaccurate. Thus, the thermal errors can be diagnosed through the temperature monitoring. Fourth is the servo and position monitoring. The CNC controller continuously compares the command position, actual position, and if the difference exceeds the allowable limit, possible causes include like backlash, ball screw wear, servo motor faults, and the encoder malfunction. So these directly affect the machine accuracy. Now, two parts may look perfectly identical to the naked eye. I know that. But the CNC controller can detect an error of the operator of just a few microns. Okay. So that is the power of the modern fault monitoring system. Now, besides the major systems, engineers also use the lubrication monitoring, coolant monitoring, and motor current monitoring. Okay. Now, using the fault detection and monitoring system provides the several advantages like early fault identification, reduced machine downtime, improved dimensional accuracy, increased tool life, better product quality, lower maintenance cost, improved production efficiency. So these benefits make monitoring system as an essential part of the modern smart manufacturing. Okay.